Gaming laptops generate significant heat during prolonged gaming or rendering tasks, which can throttle performance, shorten component lifespan, and reduce comfort. A well-designed cooling pad can improve thermals, reduce fan noise by offloading heat to an external surface, and provide ergonomic benefits through adjustable stands. Product number 1. Havit HVF2056 15.6 to 17-inch laptop cooler cooling pad. Slim, portable, USB powered. 3 fans. The Havit HVF2056 is a slim, ultra-portable cooling pad designed for 15.6 to 17-inch laptops. It uses 3 fans and a lightweight ABS chassis, with 2 adjustable height settings and a built-in dual USB hub for peripheral connectivity. The surface uses a metal mesh support to provide a stable laptop resting area, while a dedicated power switch helps manage power draw. At $27.99, it sits in the budget to lower mid-tier and is positioned as a travel-friendly option with ergonomic benefits. Performance-wise, the 3 120 to 140 mm equivalent fans deliver adequate airflow for mainstream CPUs and GPUs under light to moderate loads, but as a slim design, peak cooling may lag behind larger multi-fan pads on sustained gaming or heavy workloads. The dual USB hub is convenient, though cable management can be a challenge given the compact footprint. User experience benefits include easy portability, 2-height ergonomics, and quiet operation at moderate speeds. While the surface is stable, it lacks advanced features like LCD readouts or RGB lighting, which helps keep price down and noise predictable. Product number 2. ChillCore Laptop Cooling Pad. ChillCore's A21 model targets larger gaming laptops with a 9-fan array and 8 height positions. It features an LCD speed readout, touch controls for fan speed and RGB modes, and an RGB light bar. With multiple modes and a robust fan count, it aims to deliver aggressive cooling while giving users a flashy aesthetic suitable for RGB-heavy setups. Priced at $36.98, it sits as a mid-range option with substantial cooling potential for bigger laptops. In practice, the 9-core fans provide strong airflow and can be tuned via an LCD display and touch controls, offering nuanced control over noise versus cooling. The 8-height adjustment helps tailor ergonomics for long sessions, reducing neck and back strain. The main trade-off is noise of higher speeds, though ChillCore emphasizes quiet operation with capacitor-assisted fans. The packaging includes a USB hub and dual USB ports, improving connectivities, but the weight, 3.12 pounds, makes it less portable than smaller pods. Product number 3. Kutek Laptop Cooling Pad. Kutek's LCP04 is a budget-friendly 5-fan cooling pad with a dual USB hub, 6 adjustable height settings, and front edge stoppers to prevent laptop sliding. It supports a broad range of 12 to 17-inch laptops and uses blue LED fans for visual feedback. At $25.99, this option is positioned as a value buy with strong ergonomics and universal compatibility backed by a sturdy metal mesh surface. In use, the LCP04 provides solid acoustics with whisper-quiet operation when fewer fans are engaged, and a simple control scheme to toggle sets of fans, 1, 4, or all 5. Its dual USB hub adds peripheral flexibility, and the adjustable angle helps with posture during extended sessions. While it doesn't offer RGB or LCD readouts, the combination of stability, fairly robust cooling for its product number 4. Llano V12 RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. Llano's V12 is a premium RGB-enabled cooling pad featuring a large 14cm turbo booster fan, a touch-controlled interface, LCD speed display, and a 36-watt power rating. It supports a broad laptop range from 15.6 inches to 21 inches and includes RGB lighting with an RGB memory function to preserve last settings. Priced at $91.19, it targets enthusiasts who want aggressive cooling with a modern, feature-rich interface. Performance-wise, the 36-watt turbofan provides rapid air movement and 360-degree cooling with sealed foam to minimize heat leakage. The LCD display shows real-time fan speed, and the touch controls simplify adjustments during gameplay without diverting attention. The pad includes a 1-in-3-out USB hub and 2 non-slip baffles to secure the laptop on angled surfaces. The main caveat is its size and weight, 3.96 pounds, which reduces portability for frequent travelers. Product number 5. ICOOREL Gaming Laptop Cooling Pad with 8 cooling fans. ICOOREL's K10 cooling pad provides 8 fans in an aluminum chassis, 6 height adjustments, an LCD readout, RGB lighting with multiple modes, and a 2-port USB hub plus a phone stand. It targets mid-range buyers seeking a balance of cooling capacity and feature set at $34.99. In terms of performance, the 8 fans and aluminum construction offers solid cooling with audible but controlled noise at higher speeds. The 6 height adjustments help reduce neck strain, while the LCD display keeps the user informed about fan speed. The dual USB ports increase practicality for peripherals, and the overall build quality sits between budget and premium options. Some users might prefer more aggressive cooling or quieter operation depending on load.